Hey there pilots, drone nerds and UAV enthusiasts. Today we are exploring DJI Mini 5 Pro versus Mini 4 Pro. Which one is worth it? The DJI Mini 4 Pro was a benchmark for sub 250 gram drones, but DJI didn't stop there. The new Mini 5 Pro pushes things even further with pro-level imaging, LiDAR night vision and tracking that feels almost telepathic. I'm Neve from Coptrz, the drone experts, and if you're stuck choosing between the Mini 4 Pro and the Mini 5 Pro, this is everything you need to know. Let's start with what matters most to content creators: image quality. The Mini 4 Pro already impressed us with its 1/1.3 inch CMOS sensor and 4K HDR video. Great for everyday content in decent light. But the Mini 5 Pro goes bigger with a 1 inch CMOS sensor, the same one found in the Air 3S. That gives you better low light clarity, more dynamic range and a professional look straight out of the sky. If you're chasing golden hour or nightscapes, you'll really notice the difference. But a great sensor is only half the story. Let's talk movement and how these drones handle framing your shots. The Mini 4 Pro gave us proper vertical shooting. No weird crops or flips, just full on 9:16. But the Mini 5 Pro cranks it up with 225 degrees of gimbal rotation. That opens up creative camera paths, dynamic angle shifts and more freedom in both manual and automated flight modes. You also get 48mm med tele mode, giving your subject that crisp cinematic focus without flying too close. Now let's get into one of the biggest upgrades: how well these drones handle the world around them, especially in tricky conditions. The Mini 4 Pro already has full omnidirectional sensing, solid performance in normal light. But the Mini 5 Pro brings in something special: LiDAR, and a sensitivity boost that lets it operate down to just 1 lux. That's a huge leap from the 15 lux needed on the Mini 4. Plus, it can return home safely even without a satellite lock, ideal if you're flying under bridges, balconies, or in GPS dark zones. That advanced sensing also powers one of the biggest real-world benefits: smarter subject tracking. The Mini 4 Pro introduced Active Track 360 degrees, and it's good, no complaints here. But the Mini 5 Pro just feels more intelligent. It reacts quicker, adjusts more smoothly, and gives you 2 tracking styles: standard and cycling. It'll even switch to rear tracking on its own so you don't lose your subject if you move past the drone. Alright, let's finish with what keeps you in the air: battery life, signal strength and storage. Flight time between the two is pretty close. You'll get around 34 minutes on the Mini 4 Pro and 36 on the Mini 5 Pro with the standard battery, so not a game changer there. Where you'll notice a real difference is connection. Both drones support up to an impressive 20km video transmission range, and how they deliver it differs. The Mini 4 Pro runs on DJI's O4 system, which is strong and reliable. But the Mini 5 Pro steps it up with O4 Plus. That means a stronger signal, better stability and smoother control, especially in busy or challenging environments. And storage, this one's a big win for the 5 Pro. The Mini 4 Pro gives you 2 GB of internal memory. That's enough for a few shots if you're in a pinch. But the Mini 5 Pro, you get 42 GB built in. That's more than enough for a full shoot, no SD card needed. So if you've ever left a card behind, problem solved. So, Mini 4 Pro or Mini 5 Pro? If you're new to drones or just want fantastic performance at a lower price, the Mini 4 Pro is still excellent. But for creators who push limits, who want stronger sensors, night-capable obstacle avoidance, and more intelligent tracking, the Mini 5 Pro is the clear next step. Need help deciding? Our drone specialists are just a call away. Otherwise, head to our website shop.coptrz.com to explore the Mini 5 Pro in full detail. We hope to see you again soon and have fun flying. Bye bye!